I'm going to find the single biggest real estate opportunity powered by AI right now. The real estate landscape is changing fast, and those who adapt quickly will be the ones reaping the biggest rewards. With AI becoming more and more integrated into various industries, it's exciting to explore its potential in real estate. In this video, I'm going to guide you through what's happening in the field and reveal what I believe is the single biggest opportunity available today. Traditional real estate investing and even property management have always been a bit of a gamble. Market volatility makes it tough to predict cash flows, and with so much data out there, it's easy to get overwhelmed. Identifying undervalued assets or predicting the next hot neighborhood often relies on gut feelings or broad market trends. These methods have worked in the past, but they're becoming less reliable in today's fast-paced market. The truth is, traditional methods fall short in many areas. For instance, analyzing property values, rental income potential, and market demand manually is not only time-consuming, but also prone to human error. And when it comes to spotting emerging trends or niche markets, it's often a case of being in the right place at the right time. Furthermore, real estate professionals are drowning in data but starving for insights. With so much information available, it's hard to separate the signal from the noise. This is where AI comes into play, offering a more systematic approach to analyzing data, identifying patterns, and making predictions. AI can help level the playing field by providing more accurate property valuations, predicting rental yields, and even identifying emerging neighborhoods. AI is already making waves in real estate through predictive analytics, automated property valuation, and personalized marketing. For example, some AI tools can analyze a property's features and recent sales data to estimate its value more accurately than traditional methods. Others use machine learning to predict which buyers are most likely to be interested in a particular property. Moreover, AI-driven analytics can help investors and professionals stay ahead of the curve by identifying emerging trends and market shifts. This can lead to more informed decision-making and better investment strategies. Another significant application of AI in real estate is in personalized marketing. By analyzing data on potential buyers and renters, AI can help tailor marketing efforts to specific audiences, increasing the chances of a successful sale or rental. As impressive as these applications are, I believe the biggest opportunity lies in leveraging AI for hyper-personalized, data-driven investment strategies. Imagine being able to identify niche, underserved markets with unprecedented accuracy, or tailor your investment approach to specific buyer personas. The ability to analyze vast amounts of data and identify patterns that humans might miss allows for a level of precision that was previously unimaginable. This can lead to more targeted investments, reduced risk, and higher returns. Moreover, AI can help democratize access to real estate investing by providing more affordable and accessible investment options. This could open up new opportunities for individual investors and smaller firms. By harnessing the power of AI, investors and professionals can gain a significant edge in the market. AI is transforming real estate in many ways, but leveraging it for hyper-personalized investment strategies is what I believe offers the most exciting potential. Whether you're an investor looking for an edge or a professional seeking to stay ahead, this opportunity is worth exploring. If you've got thoughts on AI and real estate, share them in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe for more insights into the intersection of technology and real estate. If you're interested in learning more about how to use AI for property valuation, check out my next video on how to use AI for property valuation.